Hello folks on YouTube. Today we're gonna take you to Cape Cod, Massachusetts. It's a small little town. Used to be fisherman hub, but today it's a destination for super rich people in America, where they buy and build a super beautiful homes with amazing views. And today I want to talk to you about one of them in particular, where we installed the Skybox unit, which was manufactured and shipped by a British company called Glazing Vision. They've been around from 1994 and really have been perfecting their product ever since. It's one of the most beautiful units that you've seen so far, that adds the dramatic views to the home. Roof deck, amazing roof deck where family and friends can enjoy and socialize while enjoying these spacious and amazing weather and amazing views in Cape Cod. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.